Hi guys, we're playing Meowdoku and this is level 31. Let's start. We need to find 8 cats. Number 2, alright. It's not that hard. Number 3. Okay, we need 5 more to go. Maybe it is here. No, so it's definitely there. Alright. Next one should be here. Yes. Alright, we need 3 more to finish. Green one is here. Okay. Yellow one is there. And the pink one should definitely be here. Alright guys, thank you for watching.